Hello everyone, hope you are all doing fine. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic which is emotion. So what is emotion? If you break it up into two parts, it is E plus motion. So what is E again? E is energy which is inside our body. So when there are so many energies in our body, that gives rise to emotions. Could be happiness, fear, anger, hatred, love, and there are so many emotions which are there. But what I could figure out is out of these emotions, there are four prominent ones which make or break our day or our life. So, what are those four kind of emotions? The first one is disgust. You would have had so many reasons or emotions of disgust day in, day out. Someone doesn't work properly in spite of we telling them regularly. It creates a feeling and we say that is disgusting. Sometimes our children don't follow our what we say and they do homework, or when their marks are not as per our expectations, we feel disgusted. So it is a very powerful emotion, but if it is not used in a positive sense, it can trigger a lot of problems. So we need to be very careful with this emotion. Second one is decision. We all know how much decision making is important in our lives. If we take a decision quickly, that is also a problem. But if you don't take a decision, that again is a problem. So we need to figure out how we can balance a positive or a negative effect of a decision making. Sometimes if you don't take decisions and you suddenly in the middle of the night you keep thinking about it, oh, have I done properly? Is it correct? It is not correct. What will be the consequences? So that has to be taken care of, or it has to be handled very carefully. So that was number two. Number three is desires. Desires are basically, it is only internal. There's nothing which comes external. But then anything can trigger a desire. For example, if we are listening to a song, or if you are in a seminar and suddenly one point strikes you saying that this is what I can do, and it creates a kind of a desire to go towards that goal and achieve it. So, in that way, desires are very important. It shows us the way where we are supposed to go and how we can go and achieve that goal. We need to have a desire to be successful. That is one desire. So, this is again a very powerful emotion. And fourth one is resolve. So, what is resolve? Resolve is basically that gut feeling which is there in us saying that I will do it. Come what may, I will do it. The best example is if you would have seen a recent Hindi movie Sher Shah, where Dr. Captain Vikram Batra says during our war with in Kargil, मैं तिरंगा फहरा के आऊँगा या तिरंगे में लपेट के आऊँगा. So that was the resolve which he had. Ultimately, he sacrificed his life for the country, but he had that resolve. So we should also have that resolve, saying that I will do it, I will do my work at any cost, which will give me results and which will give me a direction in a positive way. So all these emotions have to be handled very carefully at different points of our life or different situations in a day. These all have to be handled very carefully and in a positive manner. Either otherwise it is going to either make you or break you. So this is what I would like to convey today. We'll have again a different topic like this tomorrow. If you like this video, please give a like and share feedback if you have. Thank you.